this is your project. So overview of firstly I am telling to you introduction. So you are asking base format. So first thing is statement of research problem and descriptive analysis and international analysis. Third one is robotness and consideration and a research related literal. So whatever it may be your points. So that is the statement of research problem. So whatever it will be your asking the things, so we develop things, but majorly I taken the .csv file what you provided, that is. So again to you, so please hold on. So this is your database. Actually you are providing wages.py csv format. So this is your column names table you are providing the screenshot. So I know by means I don't need this online information. If you provide the database, just I can understand, that is the thing. So there is no matter of this thing. Okay, so leave it. Okay, coming to our topic on task. So this is the Jupyter notebook. So this is the whole project is developed by developing R language. Okay, so this is the R language. I will show into everything. Okay, how to installation R and how to upload your database, how to execute everything. I will explanation step by step process. Okay, listen carefully. If you have any doors on, feel free to contact me, or you can go on search in Google. Okay, so maximum there is no problem. So this is our project, so that's why I chosen our project. So don't worry, everything is working. First we have to upload your database. Okay, whatever it may be your database, you have to upload in folder. Just upload your this thing. Okay, uh, actually this is not your database, so wait. So already I downloaded, so it's already downloaded. Okay, so yes, bank yes, yes, something is different. Yes, yes, I deleted that one. So whatever, for example, this thing you have to upload this thing. Okay, once you have to upload your database, same this format .csv file. Our requirement is .csv file. It is support to R language without format like XLX. It is provided, it will be shown some errors. Okay, so don't provide. Already I imported, so it's not showing in my system. So okay, that is the thing. So once if you upload your database, go on project running. So just click on or take a new project. Okay, R language. If you choose Python or R, so you have to choose in R language. So click on R language. Once you have to click in R project, you will get this type of things. Okay, this is your project. So firstly I am showing directly all are first top to bottom. Okay, some installation packages is required. So this is the R language. So our requirement is most important. Without packages libraries, it's not supported any program, even also single program. Hello print, hello, hello labor, it is not also supported R language. Okay, but R language is does not matter of much more data coding. It is a just few lines of coding. Just few lines of coding is taken compared to C++, Java, Python. So nowadays trending language are. So your project is also labor project, so that's why it is a wages, labor wages project. So it is very good projects as per as I understood this overall of concept. Okay, so you are asking the final thing is this thing. So there is no expectation of making use every variable in source data set. You can also transform given data to create additional variable if the self-test hypothesis. For example, if you miss, I don't know everything, so already understood. So if you have knowledge about this thing, go on directly. Okay, I think you are understood very well. So if you are asking our project related, just definitely have the knowledge about this thing minimum. So coming to our topic, so this is the installation of process. So ggplot is most important. Already some packages install, so directly I run it, so no need to installation. So if you want to run in your system, just install some packages. If you don't have any knowledge about installation package, just install that packages. After that, whatever may be any error, you will get put it same like this thing. Okay, copy and paste it, you will get complete run complete execution. Okay, so this is the library process. Okay, it is most important. Without library you can't get the any data, single data you can't get it. That is the except our file data. Okay, so this is your wages to .csv format. So that just I've taken the lab means labor. So our requirement related to taken the variable name. So that is the thing. So if I'm running in front of you, please check it. If you have any doubts, check here. Okay, control enter. It is execution, right? So this is the R programming language. Check it here. If you have any doubts in this project, just it's not a, we are not create manually. Okay, I will show you that one also, how to installation on Anaconda and Jupyter. So how to install in R. Okay, this is the your database. So I think your database is 15.38, which is the data, which is the highest, which is the lowest, everything else. First we have to import 5 data and last day 6 data and row names and column names and string and label one, first data and second data, third data, whatever it may be. Initially everything is working in my system. Your system also working, same projects, just go on open it your system. So that is the easy thing. It is the most important. And string and summary is most heart of the project. That is the summary. Okay, you will get the find out the r, which is the highest, which is the lowest, which is the mean, medium, whatever it may. I will execute this thing compared to this. So illustration descriptor analysis, so print medium, I find out the age of the illustration. So this is the thing. So now started our main target of projects. So this is the label description. So x and y values we are comparing unto which is the highest, which is the lowest, which is the highest in our system. So customer data education levels is and above, so above have some higher in term deposit. So this thing. So inshallah packages. So subscription term experience level, suppose if you have any experience you have to increase. How can I find out? That is the thing. So showing the bar chart, this is the increase of chance experience. I have most experience in this field. That is the 10 to 20, between 15. So 15 is highest, so we have to comparing. That is the thing. So it is indicating of the bar chart and flow chart and scatter plot and pie chart, whatever it may be. It is indicating we can find out our data requirements. So it is a scatter plot, analyze part, double eyes part, and data cleaning process. How is cleaning our data? So it is comparing this thing and percentage of our labor data. So labor scatter plot matrix, ggplot. So ggplot, plot. Yes or no? Suppose if I married, if I am not married, if I have, if I married, if I am not married. So it is comparing. That is the thing. So I means if I am eligible for 18 years or working in labor. So if I am not working, so it is comparing the jitter plot. So that is the thing. So everything is completed, whatever our requirement. So finally I am saying, suggest to you, your task and project is very good and excellent. Why means presently this project is very useful for to everyone. Why means it is a trending, so nobody can do this type of thing. So labor is not a worker, so he has a weapon of the any work. So that is the thing. So that's why I like and suggest to your project. So your project is very good and explanation. So that's why I'm clearly mentioned each and every point. Okay, thank you. So if you have to installation this project, just click on the file and download as whatever requirement you have to download. Already our requirement is R and PDF notepad markdown. All are sent to your all are sent it to you. So if you want, you can download it markdown. That is the script file. That is the R, that is the notebook. Directly you can see the data only. Okay, so please don't change anything. If you change anything, you will get the, you will lose your data. Okay, so coming to next thing, that is the installation of process. So this is the Anaconda process. So you have to install www.anaconda.com. you click on this the bowling. So once you click this thing, come down to last. So our requirement is 34 and 64 bit. So whatever it may be, choose it. Okay, once you have to choose this thing, you can get this any installation. Your system default requirements, so 64 bit or 32 bit. My system requirement is 64 bit, so I choose 64 bit. Once it is download installation process through your mail id access. Okay, through your mail id access. After that you have to installation one thing. That is the thing, R Studio. After that, you have to execute this thing process. Jupyter, please open this. Please open this thing. Jupyter R. Okay. Once it is installation process done, automatically showing one way, like this way of format. If you don't have knowledge about this project Jupyter notebook, please go and open it R Studio directly. It is very easily. Okay. In my system requirement is both are working, so but I have to show each step by step concept and show execution process and clearly mention everything. It is better in my side, not only in my side. As a developer, as a student, you have to follow this thing. R Studio, it is also same thing, just you have to upload your data. Okay, you'll get this thing. Okay. Okay, so this is another way of project, so don't worry. Okay, right. I hope you are understood. R Studio or Jupyter is both are same. Okay, thank you so much. And again, I am saying to you, our project is very good and excellent. Please focus on, please take these type of projects next time also. You will get much more knowledge about these concepts. Okay, thank you. Okay, I hope you are understand very well. Thank you. If you have any doubts about this project, please open in Google and copy to paste what you are getting any error. I think there is no error in project my system. So if you face anything, please try to solve in your way. You will get much more knowledge in your side. Okay, thank you so much.